Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Snow Joust battery snow blower is probably one of the most impressive pieces of winter equipment you can add to your arsenal, offering a powerful and convenient solution to tackle those daunting snowfalls without the hassle of cords or the fumes of gas engines, making your snow removal task significantly easier and more efficient this season. Number 5. Snow Joust 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. Experience powerful, eco-friendly snow clearing. This device runs on our exclusive IMX 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, providing zero-emission performance with two 4.0Ah batteries. Effortlessly clears snow with its impressive clearing capability. The heavy-duty auger clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. Take control of where the snow goes. The adjustable 180-degree chute lets you direct snow exactly where you want it, throwing it up to 20 feet away. Don't let darkness stop you. Its built-in 2-watt LED headlight ensures safer and more effective operation, even at night. Enjoy the freedom of cordless convenience. You can also expand your power options by purchasing additional batteries, doubling your runtime for the toughest jobs. What we like. This model offers extended runtime with dual batteries, perfect for larger areas. Its wide clearing path and built-in headlight make it ideal for tackling significant snowfalls efficiently, even in low light. If you have a larger driveway or need to clear snow at dusk or dawn, this is a great choice. What people say. It is a powerful machine that clears snow quickly and efficiently. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in deep snow. Number 4. Snow Joust SJ618E Electric Snow Blower. Tackle snow-covered driveways and walkways with ease. This electric snow blower is designed for efficient snow management. Powered by a robust motor, it clears a significant amount of snow per minute. Experience gas-like performance without the hassle of fuel or maintenance. With an adjustable chute, you have full control over where the snow goes. You can even adjust the height for optimal snow throw. Its cold-resistant rotor cuts a wide path quickly. It clears snow efficiently without damaging surfaces like decks or pavements. Compact all-terrain wheels ensure easy movement and control. Navigate mid-sized areas smoothly and efficiently. What we like. Experience gas-like power with this electric snow thrower, designed for efficient snow management. Its robust motor clears a substantial amount of snow quickly, and the maneuverable wheels make it easy to handle. If you're looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use corded option for mid-sized areas, this is the one. What people say. This snow blower is very powerful and can clear heavy snow easily. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for extended periods. Number 3. Snow Joust 24V Cordless Electric Shovel Kit. Tired of back-breaking snow shoveling? This powerful cordless snow shovel kit makes clearing sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze during winter. Its tough auger clears an 11-inch wide path, throwing snow up to 20 feet. It can handle an 11-inch wide path and clears snow up to 7 inches deep. Enjoy up to 370 square feet of clearing per charge with the efficient battery and quick charger. No more gas or oil needed, making it eco-friendly. Weighing just 11.8 pounds, its ergonomic dual-handle design ensures comfort and reduces strain. It's incredibly portable for easy maneuverability. The high-output 400-watt motor moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's perfect for tackling snow in small to medium-sized areas. What we like. This cordless snow shovel is incredibly lightweight and easy to handle, reducing strain during use. It's perfect for quick cleanups on sidewalks, patios, and steps. If you need a portable and user-friendly solution for lighter snowfalls or smaller areas, this is an excellent option. What people say. It is a good product. It is a good product. Number 2. Snow Joust 24V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing a complete snow clearing kit designed for your convenience. It includes everything you need to tackle winter's worst, all in one package. Experience powerful performance with its robust motor. This tool efficiently moves a significant amount of snow, ensuring fast and effective clearing. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Effortlessly clear snow from various surfaces without the hassle of cords, offering maximum maneuverability. It cuts a wide and deep path with every pass. This allows for quick and thorough snow removal, minimizing your effort. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it provides ample runtime for uninterrupted snow clearing. Enjoy whisper-quiet operation for up to 22 minutes. What we like. Get everything you need for snow and ice removal with this comprehensive kit. It offers a good balance of clearing width and battery power for efficient snow clearing on decks, patios, and sidewalks. If you want an all-in-one solution that includes useful accessories for immediate use, consider this model. What people say. This snow blower is surprisingly powerful and easily clears heavy, wet snow. The battery life is excellent, allowing me to clear my entire driveway on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for extended periods. Number 1. Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. Experience the power of a 1200W brushless motor. It effortlessly handles even the heaviest snowfalls, clearing up to 14 tons on a single charge. With an 18-inch clearing width and 10-inch depth capacity, it cuts through deep snow with ease. This allows for quick and efficient clearing of your driveway and sidewalks. Enjoy gas-free, cord-free power thanks to the rechargeable 24V lithium-ion batteries. This provides maximum mobility and effortless operation without any emissions. Precisely direct snow discharge up to 20 feet away with the adjustable 180-degree chute control. This keeps your surroundings clear and prevents unwanted snow buildup. The integrated 2W LED headlight illuminates your path, ensuring safe snow removal even after dark. You can continue clearing snow, no matter the time. What we like. This powerful cordless snow blower is designed to handle heavy snowfalls with its robust brushless motor and wide clearing path. The included LED headlight ensures visibility for safe operation at any time. If you have a large driveway and need a high-performance, cordless solution for tough winter conditions, this is a top contender. What people say. It is a powerful snow blower that can clear heavy snow with ease. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for older adults. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.